Hello everyone, welcome to Planet Ayurveda channel. I am your Planet Ayurveda expert and today I will discuss about a herb called Shatavari. So let's start. The word Shatavari consists of two words, Shat plus Var. Shat means 100 and Var means husband. So that's why it is called as a plant with 100 of roots. And in Ayurveda, it is commonly known by queen of herbs. Next, we'll discuss about its varieties. There are mainly two varieties of Shatavari. Number one, Shatavari and number second, Mahashatavari. Let's discuss about Shatavari. Shatavari Guru Shita Tikta Swadi Rasayani Medha Agni Pushtida Snigdha Netrya Gulm Ati Sarjit Shukra Stanyakari Balya Vajpittasra Shothjit. That means it is heavy to digest, cold in potency, bitter and sweet in taste, anti-aging, rejuvenates cells and tissues, it improves intelligence and it increases the digestion strength, and it is unctuous and good for eyes, helpful in abdominal tumor and diarrhea. It has aphrodisiac property and increases the breast milk production. It also improves the strength and immunity, and it balances Vat and Pitta dosh and also helpful in inflammatory conditions. And number second, Mahashatavari. Mahashatavari Medhya Hriday Vrishya Rasayani Sheet Virya Nihantya Sho Grahani Nyan Amyan Tad Ankur Stri Dosh Ghano Lagur Arsh Kshay Apaha. That means it improves intelligence, good for heart. It has aphrodisiac property, anti-aging. That means it rejuvenates cells and tissues, cold in potency, and it is helpful in IBS. That means irritable bowel syndrome, and good for eyes. It is also helpful in female health problems and also in hemorrhoids. Next, we'll discuss about its vernacular names. Shatavari is known by different names at different places like Satamuli and Satavari in Sanskrit, and in Hindi it is called Satavar and Satavari. In Tamil, Kilvari, in Bengali, Satamuli, in Malayalam, Shatavali, and in English, wild asparagus, buttermilk root, and climbing asparagus. Next, we'll discuss about its classical synonyms. Satapadi because of its 100 husbands, Abhiru because of its sharp spine, Pivari because its roots are succulent, Narayani. Historically, it is known to be derived from god Narayan, Vishnu, that's why it is called as Narayani. Swaduras because of its taste is sweet, and funny Jivaparni because it resembles like a snake. Next, we'll discuss about its botanical distribution. Its roots are elongated, tuberous brown and tapered in the end with smooth clusters. Its leaves are thin and pine-shaped needles. Its stems are around 4 mm long and its flowers are yellow-green in color and small in size. And its fruits are like small berries which are purple-black in color. And its microscopic character. The outer layer of the Shatavari is brown and its cortex consists of a thin parenchymal cells which contains calcium oxalate crystals, and it has 2 to 3 layers of peripheral layers of cork cells. Next, we'll discuss about its geographical distribution. Shatavari mainly found in Sri Lanka, Himalayas, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Gujarat and West Bengal. Next, we'll discuss about its taxonomical classification. Its kingdom is Plantae, its subkingdom is Tracheobionta, its order is Asparagales, family Asparagaceae, genus Asparagus and species Asparagus racemosus. Now, we'll discuss about its pharmacological properties. Its taste is madhur, that means sweet, and bitter in taste. Its physical properties are heavy and oily. Its virya, that means potency, we already learn about its virya in varieties, that is cold potency. And its post digestion effect, that means vipak, is madhur, that means sweet. And the effects of Shatavari on dosha, mainly it balances Vat and Pitta dosh. Next we'll discuss about its phytochemical constituents. Its leaves contains diogenin and saponins such as Shatavarins 1 and 4. Its roots contain Shatavarins, racemosal, asparagine and saponins. Its flowers and fruits consist of racemoside A, B and C steroidal saponins, quercetin and rutin. Next we'll discuss about its pharmacological activity or pharmacological effects. It has glucagon effect, anti-secretory, anti-ulcer activity, anti-tussive effect, antibacterial activity and many more, like gastrointestinal effect and anti-hepatotoxic activity. Next we'll discuss about its nutritional value. It contains crude proteins like about 7.8, carbohydrates 37.2, total fat that is less than 1%, and crude fiber that is approximately 28.9%. Next, we'll discuss about indications of Shatavari. We can give Shatavari in apsma, that means epilepsy, murcha, loss of consciousness, vatvyadhi, that means neurological disorders, amalpit, acid reflux, shul, that means pain, and grahini, that means IBS, irritable bowel syndrome. Next, we'll discuss about Shatavari for female health. Shatavari is considered as female's best friend, whether it is about balancing hormone or maintaining reproductive health, because it contains steroidal saponins which are useful in balancing the hormones, and it also enhances the maturation of the eggs into the follicles. Next we discuss about Shatavari for low libido. As we already know, it has aphrodisiac property, and diogenin is the natural hormone which is found in Shatavari which regulates the symptoms. Next, for male health, it has spermatogenic properties, and the steroidal saponins stimulate the TM4 proliferation of the cells, and it also increases the capacity of the antioxidants into the testes. And next, Shatavari for lactation, because it has a galactagogue property, it nourishes and strengthens the immune system. And Shatavari 1 to 5 and diogenin enhances the milk production of the breast. Next, we'll discuss about Shatavari for hormone regulation. Steroidal saponins act as a precursor for progesterone, and it also increases the secretion of testosterone. Next, Shatavari for various health concerns. Number 1, for cardiac health. It has antioxidant and cardioprotective activities, and saponins contains ophiopogonin D, and diogenin treats inflammation and prevent from hypertension. Next, for digestion, it has anti-flatulent properties. Because of anti-flatulent properties, it reduces the indigestion and abdominal distension, and it is considered as a good remedy for constipation. Next, for wounds and ulcers, it has anti-inflammatory and anti-ulcer properties, and it inhibits the inflammatory reactions. It also promotes the synthesis of matrix and procollagen. Next, for diabetes, it has hypoglycemic properties. Because of hypoglycemic properties, it helps to reduce the breakdown of starch into the glucose and leading to the low glucose levels. Next, for respiratory problems, it has anti-inflammatory, antibiotic and anti-asthmatic properties. That's why it helps in loosening the deposits in the chest and nasal cavities, that makes breathing easy and getting rid of the mucus. Next, for anxiety and depression, it is considered as the best mood enhancer, and we have to keep our serotonin levels under control because it controls our mood and works with the melatonin, which control our sleep and wake up cycle. So moving to the next slide, that is home remedies. Number 1, for acidity, the crushed form of shatavari with amal is taken with warm milk to cure acidity. Number 2, for premenstrual syndrome, that is PMS, the shatavari powder along with the honey or milk is helpful in the symptoms of PMS, that is premenstrual syndrome. Next, for urinary bladder, shatavari with gokshur, amal and sugar must be crushed in equal parts and having 2 grams of this powder for the chronic inflammation. Next one, in chronic diarrhea, the fresh paste of the shatavari roots are given to the child who is suffering from the chronic diarrhea. Next, for postmenopausal symptoms, as we know that after menopause the bone density decreases, so the shatavari is useful in the calcium which supports the bone in postmenopausal women. Next, for weight gain, the shatavari powder with milk consumed twice a day will help you to gain weight. Next, we'll discuss about its part used. The most common part used of shatavari is its tuberous roots. Next, dosage. Fresh juice is about 10 to 20 ml, decoction is about 50 to 100 ml, and its powder is about 3 to 6 grams. Next, we'll discuss about its Ayurvedic formulation. There are various formulations of shatavari like shatavari gugul, shatavari kalp, shatavari grit, shatavari churn, and shatavari mandoor. And in Planet Ayurveda, we have various products which contains shatavari like shatavari churn, female health spot, hemoplan syrup, nari kalyan churn, etc. Thank you. I hope you have liked the video, and if you have any queries regarding any remedies or anything, you can directly mail us at herbalremedies123@yahoo.com. Thank you.
Getting the benefits of natural Ayurvedic treatment is so easy now. No worries about traveling and lodging expenses. No need to delay your traveling plan to India or any other country for doctor's appointment due to other work commitments. No stress of embassy and other legal permissions. Save your time and money. Avail online good, effective Ayurvedic consultation from top Ayurveda experts at www.planetayurveda.com. Your best friend for a healthier, happier and wealthier life. Experienced team of Ayurveda doctors with effective skills to help you follow Ayurvedic principles of healthy living. Private, personalized and online mode of consultation in the comfort of your home. Exclusive Ayurvedic clinics, centers, branches and outlets worldwide. Worldwide home delivery of pure natural herbal supplements available. Book video consultation now with MD Ayurveda experts. Call or drop a WhatsApp message on any of the helpline numbers on your screens. Fatty liver cirrhosis, ulcerative colitis, ITP, chronic kidney, skin, lung diseases, neck, back, knee pains, arthritis, psoriasis, migraine, gynae problems, diabetes, belly fat, scleroderma, various types of cancers or any problem. Only one solution, www.planetayurveda.com. Not just this, adopt and follow natural Ayurveda and spread it with people around you for a healthier and disease-free planet. For franchisee, visit now www.planetayurveda.com.